Ravi Malviya Industries presents RMI Belt Furnace, single zone machine designed for coin annealing applications. Operating on 415 volts with 16.5 kilowatt power, the machine delivers a maximum temperature of 900 degrees Celsius and a working temperature of around 850 degrees Celsius. It features a 500 mm preheating zone and a 1500 mm heating zone, along with a 2000 mm water jacket cooling system for controlled processing. A 90 by 35 mm belt ensures smooth and continuous coin movement. The system includes an ammonia cracker unit with 2.5 cubic meter per hour capacity and a 3.5 kilowatt setup maintaining proper furnace atmosphere. Gas consumption is 15 to 20 liters per minute, with resistance wire heating elements for consistent performance. RMI Belt Furnace, efficient and reliable for precision coin annealing.